Aluminium profile CNC end milling machine. 5-axis full servo high speed high efficiency. High precision and high efficiency. End milling and cutting processing of aluminum door and window profiles, aluminum curtain wall profiles, and industrial aluminum profiles. Intelligent control processing. Human-machine interface. User-friendly operation. Can be connected to the workstation, automatically retrieves data via barcode scanning, and adjusts the cutter position through servo motors. Handles multiple profiles in a single cycle for maximum efficiency. CNC servo control system. 2 sets of spindle motors for simultaneous machining. One set of spindle motors rotates 90 to perform machining. One-time milling and cutting to shape. No custom tools required. The cutting tool uses a diamond saw blade, which offers high cutting speed and precision. Perfect quality.